Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can use the text tool in Adobe Photoshop. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Photoshop software and then start by creating a new project. After you get a blank canvas, select the text tool and click and drag it onto the blank canvas. You will then be able to change the font size from the top taskbar. After you type something, you can also change its color. Simply select the text and click on the color icon at the top. Again, you can change the font size and the text alignment from the top if you want. When you're done, click on the tick icon at the top to save the changes. To change the position of the text, select the Move tool from the top left corner, then click and drag the text layer. You can also change its size by pressing the Ctrl+T keys and resizing it. After you are done, press the Enter key. To add another layer, select the text feature and then click and drag again. Type in anything and save it. You can then select the Move tool, select both layers, and then align them accordingly. To edit the text style, double-click on the right side of the layer name and a new pop-up will appear. Then you can just select the preferred styles and apply them. So that's basically how you can use the text tool in Adobe Photoshop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.